trumpet players. This is week 3 of practicing. For this week, we will be practicing the standard of excellence number 8 through 13. We'll be going over that in class. Mostly what it covers is breathing and tonguing. Whenever you have repeat notes, of course, we tongue. We start the notes with a ta or a tu or a t in order to initiate the sound. We don't want to start with a p sound. That's what we do when we start off the instrument, but once we've gotten our embouchure formed, we always want to make sure that we use a T sound at the beginning of the note. All right, so that's what you'll be practicing this week. I'll demonstrate one of those in just a second, but also in addition to that, I'd like you to practice this. So first, I'd like you to practice what's called long tones. And all you're doing is you're just holding a note for as long as you can to get the best sound as you possibly can. So I'm gonna do this on an E. But I apologize if I missed the note at first. I'm still adjusting to my braces. So this is how it should go. 1, 2. So my goal is to get the clearest, steadiest sound I possibly can and hold that for as long as I can. So what I'm going to need to do is take a deep breath. Remember, O breath, not E breath, but O. Real deep, open throat. Make sure it's not real loud, but a real dark breath. And then I want you to take a breath and play that note as long as you can. Do that on your E's, do that on your C's, and also on the D's. So C, D, and E. All right, and then we'll have a test coming up probably on some of the numbers like 12 or 13, maybe a little bit later in the book, depending on how far we get. And that's not going to be this Friday, but that will be the following Friday. So happy practicing. I'll play this one. I'll just play number 8 for you just to demonstrate how the breathing goes. So there's a breath mark after the first measure. So this is how I play. 1, 2, 3. Your goal is to, of course, initiate the sound. As soon as you take a breath, you should release the air. I am struggling to get the note to start because typically with braces, it keeps your lips from touching the way they're supposed to. But I'm getting better each day with practicing, and that can be the same for you if you ever have braces. I have many tips to help you out. So, happy practicing.